Hey everybody, Steve Bergen here, and let's talk about Shadow Puppet Edu. And I am not being hyperbolic, but this might be the easiest, most flexible, most powerful video, audio, graphics, make a lesson on one topic app that's out as of 2014. Not being hyperbolic, you be the judge. Okay, its name is called Shadow Puppet Edu, so it's in my P section only because the icon is always showing up as puppet.edu, Puppet Edu, not Shadow Puppet Edu, so I put it in the P section. So when you launch it, you see previous projects, and in the upper left, you create a new project. I'm going to see if I can put together a lesson on fractions, so I am going to go and I'm going to search, image search for web images on the topic of fractions. There's lots of ways to bring slides in. Okay, I'm going to quickly pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then choose next in the bottom in green. And now I'm going to go with the left arrow because I don't like the order. In the bottom left, I'm going to reorder it. So I'm going to make this one the first one. And I am going to make this one the second one by tapping and pushing over. And I'm going to make this one the last one. And I don't like the third one, so I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, so very, very easy to add pictures. The left arrow on the upper left, right, lets you go back to the previous screen. And the previous screen includes looking for all sorts of information in your camera roll, on maps, on famous landmarks. I'll even bring a famous landmark in here. Let's see if I can figure out a way to get this connected to fractions. I am stretching a little bit, but I'm going to grab Stonehenge and I will bring this in with next. I need to use the picture icon. You see the camera icon. I have 4 slides. I'm going to bring that one in, and that's my 5th slide. And now I'm going to go next. I'm allowed to grab music, so I can grab music, and I can get music from my iTunes library, right? Or they give you a library of background music. Both of those things are flexible. Okay, so we'll have some ragtime fractions music. Okay, on slides. Record your voice too, yes. On the slides, you can have text. So I'm going to go text, and I can put in, what do I want to write? Can you add 1/2 plus 1/3? Okay. You can make the text fade in and fade out. You can make the text spin. You can make the text be colors. You can change the font. You have lots and lots of options. You can do this for each slide. You can have text on each slide. I believe the music is going to go for the whole thing. Really, really flexible in terms of what you can bring in, how you can redo it. It goes into your camera roll. It becomes a URL. And now I can start recording. So I'm going to make up a lesson here. Right, you see the arrows are going forward and back. And here we go. Hi, boys and girls in 4th grade. Welcome to fractions. Right, you're going to make sure you can add 1/2 plus 1/3. Every time you see a fraction, don't forget that these fractions represent a part of a circle. 1/2 and 1/3 are parts of circles. Now we see 1/2 up in blue. Do you see it over here? I will point to it for you. Right over there. Do you see that? That's half a fraction. What fraction is that? That blue right over there. You see the blue? That blue is what portion of the rectangle? Oh, you got it. I'll give you a check because I heard you say 1/8. Over here we see, look where my hand is. Right? You see right over there on the bottom, number 6? You see 3 reddish squares out of 6. 3 out of 6 is 1/2. That means that's the same as 2 out of 4, right over there. You got it? Right? It's exactly the same. And I will say good job to you. Take a look at this. This is the worksheet you're going to have tonight, and you got to reduce all of those fractions. Okay, let's pick one. 6 out of 24. 24 is 4 times 6. You cross off the 6 each time. I'm going to give you a good job. Check mark. Nicely done. Now you may think this has nothing to do with fractions, but Stonehenge in England was built on mathematics, and every single position is calculated to be, right, take a look at this right over there. You see that one right over there? That was calculated to be exactly 1/7 of the full Stonehenge circle. So fractions are all over the place. Okay, so Mr. Bergen signing off. Good luck, 4th graders. Now that's how you make a video, right? And it's done. And look what options you have. If it's small enough, you can email it to someone. You can always post it on YouTube. You can go copy link, right? And then you can also, by choosing done in the upper right, you can have it saved to your camera roll. So this program, Shadow Puppet Edu, is absolutely as flexible as can be. And you can come back to it, right? It's not one and done. You can come back to it. You can add to it. You can modify your voice. There's so many things that you can do here. Okay, hope that you like this, right? I love it, right? Most people we've shown this to at ICOR have loved it. It is so flexible. It will take you a few times to get through it, to get used to it, but it is absolutely one of the, there's a little pun, absolutely one of the best apps out there for quickly creating a lesson on any topic. Okay, Mr. Bergen signing off. Bye, everybody.